Okay, so after this, there's next gets the first character in the stream using the read method. Also in this case, suitably followed by semicolon. I hope that makes you happy.
Oh, I'm very happy with that.
That's
now.
great. And then we print line in which we print this character that we just read.
Okay, so for 19, should we, this extra white space around next, this kind of goes back to line 10 where we have some extra white space between the two brackets for the string. Is there a, what do you want to do there? We always want to have pad space around the functions or the arguments into the function?
Yeah, I
or-
guess that's something the editor did. That it's no, that's fine with doing it without the spaces.
It's not consistent. We need
Right.
to.
Yeah, we should. do
Again,
that.
we need to have a standard of some kind.
I think so.
It's obvious you don't have any kind of coding standards.
Yes.
in
Well,
your-
most
in
of
your
this is copied
organization.
code. I don't think
Oh, that's
Dr.
right, it was
Bug wrote
copied,
most of
yeah.
this. I think it was
Yeah, I
just
think
copy
in-
paste.
Yeah.
So
So-
a hodgepodge of different styles.
So let's resolve on a standard. No empty spaces around those variables.
And no copying of code from random forums online. That might be a better
Is that okay, Dr. Bug, from now onwards?
Doesn't that mean we're going to have to recode stuff that we might save energy by copying?
Or maybe if as long as we're copying internal code that has the standard applies. Maybe we need to write something that a standard checker for our internal use. I don't know.
But let's continue, Dr. Bug.
Okay. So after this, we enter into a while loop with a given condition, and then at that point, once we get into the while loop, we check if the next character that we read is a blank.
I think we have a problem here. We should be stopping when the next doesn't equal the sentinel. Otherwise, we're just stopping maybe immediately. Do we even enter this loop?
Unless the first character is the
Our
sentence.
our count will be 0. We're not going to count the blanks because we want to stop at a period, correct? We're going to read the number of blanks in a sentence and stop. At least that's how I'm reading it.
Ooh, oh yeah, I'm sorry about that one. Yeah, I was coding in a hurry. I'm sorry, and it's yeah, you're right. This should be the while next is not a sentinel, and I have to apologize because I kind of skimmed through that when I was going through. I should have looked at that more carefully while doing the reading.
Or maybe you just copied somebody's while loop and didn't even bother to check what it was about.
Well, in this case, I think it's actually my fault. So sorry about that.
Oh,
Cannot
we're
blame
so
everything.
happy you apologized. to
Cannot
us.
blame everything on Bob.
If we
anymore.
could just for a second revisit every other thing we've talked about previously. I just, so I'm supposed to be recording the severity. So I assume all the severity of everything up till just now is minor. Is everybody agree? And this is our first really major severity
That sounds reasonable.
defect.
What are our severity levels?
Well, according to our little log here, we only have major and minor. so-
Okay, so then, yeah, I would agree with that. Some of the things I would have tried to put in between, but we don't have an in between, so I think you've got it right. It's the best we can do with what we got.